Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyu. In this video, I want to presentation about sterilization. What is sterilization? Sterilization is a process in which the surface or media is made free of the all organism in the form of vegetative or spores. Why we need sterilization? Because sterilization can to prevent contamination of outside organism. Example, in the home cooking tools, knife, sponge, plate, and others. Next, to maintain an aseptic state. Example, in the laboratory tools, injection, surgical scissor, and syringe. Next, while in the manufacture of food and medicine, sterilization serves to ensure safety against contamination by microorganisms. Sterilization test equipment. Petri dish. This tool usually using to investigate and culture of the microorganism. Next, Erlenmeyer flask. This tool used to measure of the substance volumes. Next, volumetric flask, and this tool is same for measure of the substance volume in the laboratory. And the last, test tube. This tool usually used to read substance in the laboratory, and also as tool to see the growth of the microorganism. In the sterilization method consists of three methods. This method is physical method, mechanical method, and chemical method. Physical method, which include of physical method is dry heat method using oven, moist heat method using autoclave, and radiation method using gamma or ray chamber. Next, mechanical method. In this method, using the micron filter. Type of filter is candle filter, asbestos filter, and membrane filter. Chemical method. This method use chemical material that are disinfectant and antiseptics. Example, alcohol, chlorine, iodine, phenol, hydrogen peroxide, acridine, derivatives, detergents, aldehydes, and other chemical. In this presentation, I will use dry heat method. In the dry heat method, using autoclave tools. How to use autoclave? First, put water into the autoclave. Put in water according to the autoclave indicator. Next, put the laboratory equipment to be sterilized in the autoclave. Put in slowly and trim the tools you want to sterilize it. Next, close the autoclave tightly. Then check the safety clamp again before you do the sterilization process. Next, set timer and temperature on the autoclave. Then press the start button. Last, after the sterilization process is complete, turn off the autoclave. When the temperature is cool, then take the sterilized tools. Things that affect sterilization is temperature, pressure, duration of sterilization, and duration of drying. Conclusion. Sterilization is a process by which an article, surface, or medium is made free of all microorganisms, either in vegetative or spore form. There is three methods to sterilize: physical method, chemical method, and mechanical method. Okay, if you have any question about my presentation, please raise your hand. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.